Geometric series. What is a geometric series? A series of the form a plus ar square plus etc. So the kth term will be ar raised to k, etc. etc. Okay, so this is a geometric series, etc. up to infinity. So first term is a, multiplying with r we get the second term, multiplying with r we get the third term, ar into r is ar square, again multiplying with r this term we get ar cube, etc. Okay, so this is sigma k from 0 to infinity ar raised to k. If k is 0 we get the first term a, if k is 1 we get the second term ar, etc. etc. So that is why I have told that sigma k from 0 to infinity or 1 to infinity, both we can write. Okay, so here this is a geometric series. So why it is called a geometric series? Because we get the successive terms by multiplying with r to the just previous term. Okay, so for example 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus etc. So first term is 1, second 2, again multiplying with 2. So okay, so what is the r value here? Which term is to be multiplied to get the next term? 2. Okay, so r is called the common ratio. So here a is the first term and r is the common ratio. So r is the common ratio, it is 2. So we can write the general form as sigma k from 0 to infinity 2 raised to k. A is 1 here. Okay, so 1 into 2 raised to k. 2 raised to k. Next 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus etc. Sigma. This is what is the value of r here? 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 square. So the ratio is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 raised to k. A is also 1. Next term 1 plus x square plus x cube etc. First term is 1. 1 into x is x into x is x square etc. So x is the common ratio. So sigma k from 0 to infinity x raised to k. Next term 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 16. So here minus alternatively negative sign is there. So sigma k from first term is 1 by 2, second term 1 by 4, 1 by 8 without taking the sign. So 1 by 2 into what is 1 by 4? 1 by 2. 1 by 4 into what is 1 by 8? It is again 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the ratio. So 1 by 2 raised to k. 1 by 2 the whole raised to k is equal to 1 by 2 raised to k. So negative, alternatively negative sign means sigma minus k from 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to k plus 1. If it is k plus 1 then only we can write first term as positive. Okay. Okay. So this is a general form of a geometric series. Next, convergence of geometric series. A geometric series sigma ar raised to k converges if modulus of r is less than 1. What is r? R is the common ratio. If the common ratio, modulus of the common ratio is less than 1, then only the series converges. The geometric series converges if modulus of r is less than 1. What about if modulus of r greater than or equal to 1? Then the series diverges. Okay. If mod r greater than or equal to 1, the series diverges. And if the geometric series converges, that means it has a sum. There is a sum. So what is the sum? It is a by 1 minus r. The sum of the series is a by 1 minus r. So if the series is convergent, then only we have to find the sum. Okay, divergent means it has no sum. For example, find whether the series sigma k from 0 to infinity 5 by 4 raised to k converges. Convergent ആണെങ്കിൽ sum കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. So what is sigma 5 by 4 raised to k? Expanding, if k is 0, 4 raised to 0 is 1, so 5. If k is 1, 5 by 4. K2, 5 by 4 square, etc. etc. So which is the first term? First term is 5. What is the ratio? 5 into what is 5 by 4? 1 by 4 alle. So r is 1 by 4. And if r is 1 by 4, modulus of r is, modulus of 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 itself. It is less than 1. So the given series converges. So the geometric series converges since modulus r is less than 1. And if it is converges, we can find the sum also. What is the sum? It is a by 1 minus r, or it is 5 by 1 minus 1 by 4, 5 by 3 by 4, or 4 goes to the numerator, so 20 by 3. Okay. Next, find whether the series sigma k from 1 to infinity 3 raised to 2k into 5 raised to 1 minus k converges. So if you doubt about the series, just expand it. Okay. So sigma k from 1 to infinity, put values for k. If k is 1, it is 3 square into 5 raised to 0. If k is 2, 3 raised to 4, 5 raised to 1 minus 2 minus 1. If k is 3, 3 raised to 6, 5 raised to 1 minus 3 minus 2, etc. etc. Or it is 9 plus 3 raised to 4 is 81. 5 raised to minus 1 means 1 by 5. 5 raised to minus 2 means 1 by 5 square, etc. So first term is 9, second term is 81 by 5. So what's the ratio? 9 into what is 81 by 5? 9 by 5. 81 by 5 into 9 by 5 is 729 by 5 square. Okay. So R's ratio is 5 by 9 by 5. Okay. Or in other way, we can verify whether this series is geometric series or not. How we can do that? By checking where is k. Where is k is placed? It is placed in the power of some other term, other constant. Okay. Here k is in the power of 3. 3 raised to 2k. K power ഇലാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അതൊരു geometric series ആണ് മനസ്സിലാവും. So R is 9 by 5. 9 by 5. Modulus of 9 by 5 is greater than 1. 9 by 5 is again approximately 1 point. Okay. So it is greater than 1. So the series diverges.